My name is Tim Mullen, and I'm president here at CIAC Systems. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about our products and services and how we may be of service to you and your company. Thank you. Our company was formed in 2022 based on a series of conversations I had with John Caruso, who is the owner of Patriot Thermal Controls. We were discussing the issues that took place in the winter of 2020 into 2021, particularly in the South, where they had in Texas, based on a dramatic weather event, a tragedy unfold where over 200 people died because the power system, the electric grid, could not keep up with the demand. And much of that was caused because the electric heat trace lines were not working properly at several of the power plants. We realized that there had been virtually no innovation in the electric heat trace industry for about the last 40 years. And really, one of the main tools that people in an operations or maintenance organization need is to be able to see when something is going to fail, not after it has failed. The only thing until CIAC had been telling you when a breaker had tripped, when you had a ground fault. These situations were monitored and could be alarmed. But again, who wants to know when something is broken? Now it's time to fix it. John and I, and eventually Dr. Robert Netzer, came to understand that we needed to invent a product that would offer, as a new tool for these folks, the ability to trend and predict or forecast a future fault, rather than react to a fault that has already been created. Our system is automatic. Our system, and this is where our patent came into play, we were able to come up with, between components and software, a way to automatically do an insulation resistance test on every circuit of the panel or on any individual circuit within the panel. Anytime you wanted to, we can do it automatically based on ambient temperature or based on frequency. Any customer that has an electric heat trace system should benefit from the use of a CIAC system installed. Really, every heat trace cable should be important to a client. Why would you put heat trace and insulation on a pipe or a tank or an instrument if you're not concerned with maintaining a certain temperature, whether it's a process temperature or freeze protection? Why waste your money? So if something fails, no matter what level of priority it is, it should be something that they would be concerned about. The more we get this information out to the field, the more applications are coming back to us. I think we're just scratching the surface at this point.